If your office is still trying to decide which large language model to use and still working out how to introduce Agentic AI, here is what you can do in the meanwhile. You can start learning how to structure work for AI right now, directly from the prompt area. Agentic AI is not always some separate advanced system sitting off to the side. Sometimes it starts right inside the chat interface when you stop asking one-off questions and start assigning the AI a structured multi-step job. Everything changes when you move from asking random questions to giving agents actual work to do. On the screen is a common approach used for structuring your prompt. Most large language models will understand it. Notice the labeled sections. You can use XML-style tags. This gives clarity and informs the model of its role, the goal, context, and other constraints, including the output format. So instead of saying, "Give me a chicken recipe," you might say, "You are a practical kitchen assistant. Based on the ingredients I list, suggest 3 simple dinner options. Recommend the easiest one for a busy weeknight. Give me the steps and create a shopping list for anything I am missing." This is a simple example of agentic thinking in the prompt box. You are not just asking for a recipe. You are assigning a role, giving context, and asking for several steps in one structured request. Here is a workplace example. Pause here and come back to this prompt later. This one works well across government, business, and small business settings. While leadership works through policy, procurement, governance, and platform decisions, you can start building the real skill now. And that skill is learning how to break work into steps that AI can help you carry forward. You may not control which AI platform your office chooses, but you can start learning right now how to give AI better work. That habit will matter no matter which platform your organization adopts. To my fellow AI explorers, this video was generated with the assistance of AI tools. I leverage AI tools to accelerate discovery, validate perspectives, and surface emerging insights. But every concept, narrative, and recommendation presented is independently reviewed, refined, and authored by me.